So hey guys, how's it going? I am so happy to be sitting down here filming this video. Feels like forever, which it kind of has been. I haven't posted a video in like 3 weeks now. And yeah, lots has happened since then. So I just wanted to do a quick little kind of get ready with me and just kind of fill you guys in and chat and, you know, just a nice little casual video. So let's start off by pinning our hair back. So I'm actually, it's like late afternoon on a Tuesday. I am kind of done working for the day, but and all I'm doing tonight is going to a bar class, but I wanted basically to put on some makeup and just do this type of style of video, just to fill you guys in. And yeah, guys, I have a new camera. I have a little viewfinder that I'm looking at, and I'm super excited. I know that you guys know that I have been talking about getting a new camera for like a year, probably even longer. So I am so excited that I finally have one. And actually being able to see myself is very distracting over there because I am not used to that. So I might even have to like flip that around so I don't keep looking at it. And yeah, I feel so lucky about this new camera, guys, because basically, I have gone to buy a new camera multiple times. Like I would say probably 5 times in the past, like 3 or 4 months I've gone to buy one and I've just never bit the bullet. But basically what happened is just like a week ago, Brooks's dad, my boyfriend's dad, called him and said like, hey, we got this camera for Christmas and we're not gonna use it. Like, will you and Kelsey use it? And Brooks was like, yeah, I bet Kelsey would for her YouTube videos. She actually has been looking at buying a new one, etc., etc. And he didn't know like the model or the make or anything like that. And so as much as I was like super obviously so grateful and like excited, I also wasn't expecting a lot. Like I was like, oh, it's probably just like a regular little camera. No, guys, this is like a beautiful DSLR. It's a Canon Rebel T6i. It's actually one that I've even looked at getting. So it's just so awesome. And I'm like so excited. And yeah, it's just, I feel so grateful because I'm not somebody that ever likes to say, you know, oh, things happen for a reason. Like, I don't like that whole idea, but this, it's like cool. Like this did kind of fall into place and I'm just so happy. And yeah, if you're noticing that the sound is not good, like if it's not up to snuff, that is up to snuff. Like, am I a 60-year-old man? But if you're noticing the sound isn't great, I have ordered a microphone and it's on the way from Amazon. So hopefully we'll get here soon and I can add that on and then it'll be even better. And I'm just so excited to improve the quality of my videos. This is the first time that I am filming with it. So I can tell from the viewfinder, I look kind of like pale. Like I know I'm gonna have to adjust the settings. Like I'm working on all that kind of stuff. But even watch this, guys. Ooh, never had that before. Like, I'm just super excited. You can kind of see my mirror there. Okay, isn't that awesome? So I'm gonna be able to zoom in more for like eye tutorials and guys, it's gonna be great. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you, it's gonna be great. So I used the NYX Mineral Stick Foundation. I really love this for like quick makeup, kind of medium coverage foundation needs. And then I'm going to use the Dermablend Smooth Liquid Camo Medium Coverage Concealer. And it is exactly that. It's a medium coverage concealer that I really like to just throw on because it doesn't look cakey or heavy on the skin. And it has more of like that kind of warm yellow undertone. So it kind of helps to warm things up a little bit. My eye is super red. Like, it's just, this one eye always goes red. I should maybe go get like antibiotics. I don't know. But it goes away on its own, but it kind of every few weeks gets red again. So what else is new, guys? So basically December, so I was posting quite a few videos in December, you guys may recall, which was really fun. I enjoyed doing that. And then things, of course, I'm sure like the rest of us, things got very busy during actual Christmas, just with different events and family and friends. And it was so much fun, like really, really great Christmas. We spent it, Brooks and I, on actual Christmas Day at my dad's house. So we went over and did stockings and had breakfast and gifts. And it was a really, really fun day. And yeah, unfortunately right after Christmas, so it was like we were still busy with stuff on like Boxing Day, 27th, 28th, and then it was like the 29th that I started to not feel so great. I had a cold, just kind of was feeling run down, but nothing like unmanageable. And then New Year's Eve night, we went out for dinner, which was really great. We went with my sister and her husband, and then we went to watch, one of our friends is in a band, and we went to watch him. But I literally lost my voice that night. Like, I've never had that feeling before. My voice literally was gone. It was so weird. Anyways, so I woke up the next day, so on the Monday, and I was kind of, you know that feeling when you're like in denial of being sick? I was in denial, and I was like still like going to spin class and just like, you know, not really looking after myself, to be honest, because I wasn't resting and that kind of thing. And then it wasn't till Tuesday that I woke up and I was like, okay, I need to go to the doctor. And it turns out I had bronchitis. Jeez. I've never had bronchitis before. It's an infection of your bronchial tubes, and he said that it's not contagious. It's basically like a cold that a cold will develop into that, I guess, if your immune system doesn't kind of clear it, like clear the cold. So I was on antibiotics, which I realized I haven't been on antibiotics in, like, I swear since I, like, probably 15 years. And the antibiotics made me feel so strange. Like, I just was feeling so run down, or maybe it was like, because I was actually sick. That's probably why I was feeling run down. But it was crazy. Like, I was actually down, like, bedridden, laying down for like 4 days straight, which was not fun. I was not a happy camper, because I technically was still on vacation from work. Like, I was off of work all last week, which was really nice. But, yeah, it sucked because my vacation days were spent sick, but clearly that was my body's way of telling me to slow down and get some rest. So feeling a lot better now. I'm going to take a little bit of this blush and just apply it to my cheeks. My eye is so red. Need to get some eye drops. I've actually really been loving this NYX Illuminator. It is just like kind of like a blush topper, and using it just kind of on your cheeks, kind of like a highlighter, just really gives a lot of life to your face. And I really enjoy just using this on its own as well. And yeah, speaking of kind of favorites, do you guys still want to see a 2017 beauty favorites kind of roundup? Because I'm planning on filming it. I think I could get it up tomorrow. So like, I mean, I could have it up right away here, but I do understand that, I mean, it's kind of like mid-January now, but if that's something you guys want to see, let me know, because I'd be interested in still filming that. I'm going to take the Maybelline Brow Precise Eyebrow Pencil, just running that through my brows. But yeah, to all of you guys, like, it always just blows my mind when I'm absent from YouTube for a little bit, how many people reach out to me and are wanting to make sure that I'm okay and just checking in, and it's so sweet and thoughtful. And it blows my mind that you guys are you're just the best. You're all so kind. So to everyone who messaged me, I'm sorry if I didn't get back to you. I think I wrote back to most people, but if I didn't get a chance to, yeah, I just had bronchitis. Everything was good. And it was disappointing because I really was planning on using last week to do a lot of YouTube stuff, but just the way she goes sometimes. I think what I need is like lights back here to like light the background up. I think. I don't know. I think I just need to like spend some time playing around and actually do some research, because I know it's not like there's not one simple solution. Like, do my eyebrows really look that hardcore? Because they don't in real life. Maybe this camera, you guys, is a little too high definition, if you know what I'm saying. Ooh, I was going to ask you guys, I've been hearing so much about Monate. It's like that hair line, and it's like sold through, I'm just putting the same bronzer into my crease. This is the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. I have been hearing so much about Monate, that hair care line. And have you guys tried it? Like, I've heard absolutely nothing but good things. Like, people seem to love this brand like crazy. And it just seems like the results are incredible, and I do want to try it. But oh man, I don't love that multi-level marketing business model. Like I would love to just be able to go to the store and purchase it. So before I try it, I was just kind of wondering if you guys have any thoughts on it, because it is kind of hard to find reviews and opinions from people that aren't sellers, from who don't sell the line, which I'm not saying they're not being honest, but you know what I mean. So if you guys have any experience with Monate, if you've tried it out, good or bad, let me know, because I'm interested. I got my nails done, guys. I tried out this like pink ombre look, this dealio. Oh, look at that autofocus, guys. That's exciting for me. But yeah, so it kind of starts off as that like light pink and fades into the white. It's pretty. Like, I think it's like quite flattering and like feminine, but it is not me, you guys. This is like, I have not had nails with like the French tip on them since like junior high. Just being honest. Nothing against them, because on some women I think it's so beautiful, but on me, oh man, it's driving me nuts. It's driving me nuts. I wanted to try it out because I see it on other people and I really like it, but I just don't know, okay? I just don't know. I am going to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Probably shouldn't be applying mascara to this red eye, but it's not like an infection, you know? Like, my eye's dry. It's like just kind of like irritated. It's not like, you know, infectious. I mean, what do I know? Maybe it is. I just love this mascara. I really do. And I'm even thinking, guys, of, speaking of technology and that kind of stuff, I think I'm going to upgrade to Final Cut Pro for editing my videos, because I've just been using iMovie, and while it does the job and it's great because it's free, it just comes on any MacBook, I think it's time to just step the game up, guys. And don't get me wrong, my videos will always be very, I don't know, simple, I guess you could say. You guys know that I just do very simple makeup. I'm not fancy. I'm not like very, I don't know. I kind of like just like normal videos. I'm not speaking well right now, but y'all know what I mean. Do you guys have any like resolutions or anything like that? I don't really have like resolutions, not like specific things or goals that I'm trying to just start working on as of right now. But I do love the feeling of like a brand new year, and I think it's just, I don't know, I do like that kind of like fresh start feeling. And for me, like the main thing that I want to do is just have more organization and like, I don't know, just keep things more like tidy in my house. Like Brooks and I, we're clean, like we keep things clean, but like there's just like a lot of stuff everywhere, and I think I'm really going to try to minimalize just stuff, you know, and instead of just always purchasing new stuff and always just bringing more stuff in, kind of like be grateful for what I have, work through what I have when it comes to clothing, really, you know, take care of what I buy, and instead of, you know, buying like 10 shirts a year, buy 2, and that's like 10 shirts is not even that much, let's face it. But you guys know what I mean. And then to finish off here for some lips, I'm going to take the Lancome Shaker in Beige Vintage. Just such a nice kind of like everyday color. And as you guys know, I'm obsessed with these. I saw someone's favorites video, and they were saying that or non-favorites, it was like their worst makeup of 2017, and this was included in it. And I have to be honest, I was personally offended. Like I was like, huh, how could you? But that just goes to show you that we all are different, you know? Ooh, also, I have been watching Gilmore Girls. I don't know how I have never seen that show, you guys, but I have been watching it from the beginning and I am obsessed with it. It is so good. It is so witty. I love it. If you guys need a good, just feel good, easy to watch show, because I am not someone that can watch like really intense dramatic things. I need my TV to be like, you know, just easy watching and not bring on feelings of anxiety, basically. But yeah, Gilmore Girls, man, like that is a good show. Guys, how is the camera? Let me know. I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to get my microphone too, because I think that'll really, really amp things up. I think the next step though, and I can tell from the little viewfinder here, is lighting. I don't know how to figure that out, but I'm gonna work on it. Maybe I need to buy those like big box things that have lights. I don't know, but anyways, there's something like flashing at me on there. Don't know what that means. So I guess I should wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you've had a really good start to 2018 so far. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.